in today's video, I'm going to be making puff puff. Puff puff is an African traditional snack. So what you need for this is yeast, add warm water, give it a mix, and then wrap it up and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes for it to rise. This snack is very popular in Africa and it is very easy and quick to make. When I was growing up, I keep wondering how the women that are selling this puff puff mix it. But now that I know how to mix it, I come to realize it is quick and easy. So once I wrap it, I'm going to put it aside. Next, I'm going to add my flour, sugar. I'm going to add nutmeg to give it flavor. This recipe is one I have been making for years, and it takes me back to my hometown. It brings back memories of late night snacking on the street. The basic ingredients consist of flour, sugar, yeast, water, salt, and oil to deep fry. Next, I'm adding the yeast, and then I'm going to add water bit by bit. Do not add too much water at a go, or else you are going to spoil it. Then give it a mix until the dry flour is mixed properly. Do you know that it is also served in occasions like wedding, burial, birthday parties, and more? This is to show you this is one of the most popular street food in Africa. So once I'm done mixing it, this is how it's going to look. Don't add too much water because the dough is going to rise, and when it rises, it's going to be a bit lighter than this. So next, I'm going to wrap it up and keep it to rise for about 45 to 50 minutes. So this is how it looks after leaving it for 45 minutes. The dough has risen and is ready to be deep fried. So next, I'm going to start cutting the dough bit by bit and put it in the oil. Make sure your oil is hot enough for this process, because if the oil is not hot enough, the dough is not going to come out nicely. So for you to know if the oil is hot enough, drop a butter on it. If it melts immediately, then you know the oil is ready. Then I'm going to fry it until it is golden brown. Once it's golden brown, then your puff puff is ready. The secret of a good puff puff is 1. Don't add too much water while mixing it. 2. Let your oil be hot before you start deep frying, or else the puff puff is going to soak into the oil, of which that is not what we want. So this is how it looks. Crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. And then if you look at the puff puff closely, it doesn't have oil on it because of the way I mix it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you all on my next video. Bye.